Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add the subscribe button on CapCut apps. So for instance, here I already have a project, and how to add the subscribe button, just click on the sticker picture and you can find out for the subscribe button. So here, tap on it. It just for the size and the position. Click check marks, and you can also add the audio. Just tap on audio effect. So just looking for click you go. Sorry, can adjust for the sticker appears. So that's how to add subscribe button on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.